Hey, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Hailuoai AI to create videos or images. I personally have been using this platform on my to create videos for my TikTok and also sometimes images that I may need. Okay, so you can search Hailuoai in Google. Let me just say, okay, even if you just do Hailuoai, it will come here, then you click on their website. You can easily sign up with your Gmail. I recommend you sign up with the Gmail, and they won't even send you a notification. You don't have to go to your Gmail to activate the account. It will be activated right away. So I already have an account, so it's automatically logged into my Gmail. Okay. When you access Hailuoai AI, you see like on your left, you have explore, subscribe, videos, image, assets, and everything. So I just go to video part if I just want to create a video. Okay. So you realize actually I've done a lot of videos with the AI. This is one of the video which I uploaded on one of my YouTube channels, and it has actually more than 2.2 views. This was a video that I had to connect together to come up with a whole video. Okay, this is actually an effect of Moses actually splitting the Red Sea when he was bringing the people from Egypt, and all this thing was actually done with just an image and a prompt. Okay, before actually I show you how it works. Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, so when you click on the video, from left side, it's going to bring you something like this. So here you have to add in an image that you want to act on. Okay, let me say, let's use this image. People are on a birthday. So here down you can execute, you can write a prompt that you want. Let me say, people, okay, let's say, let the cake run away from the party. Okay, we're going to make the cake run away from the party. Let the cake run away from the party. The birthday girl gets up and runs after the cake. Okay, it's kind of really okay. So I'll let the cake run away from the party. Okay. Okay, I think like we can say as people rejoice on this birthday party, let the cake run away from the party. Let the cake run away. Okay, I think this will be enough. Then the birthday girl gets up and runs after the cake. Okay, now this is a simple video. This is a simple image. Looks like this. Okay, actually, it's also an AI video. I just generated it. So we want to have this cake run away from, this. So, okay, so let me go. So we have uploaded the image, then we have wrote this. So let me just click on, after that, you have to click on here where you see like 25. 25 means those are the like the credits that you're going to be charged to create this video. Okay. You can select duration. I think by default is 6 minutes. You may not really be able to change it. Okay. Resolution, you can change the resolution, I think. Okay, let's see the resolution. We're going to leave the resolution to that for now. Okay, let's leave it to 720. Shall see about how to change it. Okay. So I'm not going to change other things apart from putting an image, the prompt. Then let me click on 25. So 25, I'm going to be deducted like 25 credits. After that, you will see the video on your right side being generated there. And this thing will be showing like 0 finished. It will be rotating here on your bottom right. So as it's being generated, you have to actually give it like some time. I think something like roughly like 30 seconds or like roughly like 1 minute. Okay, and that will be it. After that, you'll be able to download your video. Okay, now as you create these videos, Alel gives you like free points. If you have just signed up, I think they give you like 100 points. You can create like 4 videos if you're going to use 25 credits. Okay. Now, something which I don't want you to forget is make sure you actually set the quantity to 1, because if you set it to 2, they're going to give you 2 versions of that video, and each video they will be deducting you some money. So to kind of actually to reduce amount of credits that are going to be consumed with your video generation, try to set it to 1. Okay, I think our video is 40%. Let me show you what I did with Moses's video. Let me try to download this. So here is where you download. There's recreate, there's download without watermark, with watermark. If you haven't paid, there has to be a watermark. Okay, so let me just download with without watermark, because I already have a license. Okay, so let me play for the Moses's actually clip which I did, as the other video is going to be finished. So imagine this was done by just Hallel, and I just actually gave it an image of Moses, and the rest was handled by the AI. Okay. Phil, let me try to see if I can record the image that I used. Have lots of videos which I have for AI. I think, let me see if I can find it. I think it's in my other, in my other kind of folder. Okay. All right, so I think it's done. So we're going to download this video. Let's download it here without watermark. And let's try to check it out. Okay. So you have to work on your prompt, because with this, I think the AI felt like I'm saying like the cake, turned it into a person and, whatever. So you have to kind of try to define it well. Okay. But basically that is it. And it can really do a lot of fun things. Okay. Let me try to go back to this. And for Moses' part, I use this image. Okay. Where's the image? Okay. So I use that image. So that's what actually the whole magic done. So this one for Moses, I just did generate a portrait vertical image for YouTube Shorts. It lifts and extends his hand over the sea, and a sudden blah 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 blah. So it was generated that video. So I've been using it for a lot of videos, and it's kind of really cool. It's kind of really cool. I did this with it. Okay, so that is it. And basically, it's as simple as that. Let me know if you want to know about how you can really do animation with AI. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss future AI videos, how to work with AI, how to use AI to do TikTok videos and everything. Okay, subscribe and don't forget to give me a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.